A horrific incident at the top-notch hospital in Delhi NCR. An air hostess was allegedly sexually assaulted at Gurugram's Medanta hospital while being on the ventilator. The 46-year-old flight attendant was admitted to Medanta on April 5th. She has alleged that on April 6th, while she was on the ventilator, a hospital staff member sexually assaulted her. She said she was unable to speak at the time because she was not fully conscious and was frightened. Two nurses were also present nearby but did not intervene.
Horrific incident happened while she was on the ventilator, and she claims that this was a hospital staffer who sexually molested her, and there were two nurses also present around her at that point who did not intervene or do anything from stopping this from happening. She also says that she was too weak and in a subconscious state at that point in time to retaliate or to have any sort of reaction, which is why once she recuperated and was discharged on April 13, she relayed all her entire ordeal to her husband, and they both registered an FIR at the police station on April 14.
In a statement, Dr. Sanjay Durrani, medical superintendent at Medanta, has said that they've been made aware of a complaint from a patient and are cooperating with the investigations. They maintain that at this stage, no allegations have been substantiated and all relevant documents, including CCTV footage from the hospital for the time period in question, have been handed over to the police.
कंप्लेनेंट के द्वारा बताया गया है कि वह वेंटिलेटर पर थी घटना के समय में, और घटना के समय में वो बेहोशी की हालत में थी, और उसके अलावा दो जो स्टाफ नर्स थी वो उसके आसपास किसी काम को लेकर के आपस में बातचीत कर रही थी। तो फिलहाल जो विक्टिम है उसके द्वारा बताया गया कि वो अनकॉन्शियस थी, और पुलिस के द्वारा जो अस्पताल के आसपास के एरिया की CCTV फुटेज है घटनास्थल से आसपास की, वो पुलिस के द्वारा प्रॉपर तरीके से चेक की जा रही है और केस की इन्वेस्टिगेशन की जा रही है, और जैसे जैसे सबूत केस में आएंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंग पुलिस एक्ट करेगी।
According to the NCRB data, Haryana is the second most unsafe state for women after Delhi, with a crime rate of 118.7 for every lakh women. Nearly 17,000 cases of crimes against women were registered in 2022 in the state. Between 2018 and 2022, crimes against women went up by nearly 13% in the country, with nearly 51 FIRs being filed every hour for crimes against women.
How is it that a woman in an unconscious state undergoing treatment on the ventilator within the supposed safe premises of a hospital right here in Gurugram in Medanta is molested? These are the questions that are raised. And also, who was this person who molested this woman within the hospital? Was this a hospital staffer, as the woman claims in her complaint? And why has the police not been able to nab the accused yet? These are the questions that come to mind as such incidents are on repeat with women, and humanity yet again has been put to shame. With camera person Pooja Arya and Ranjit, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.